My name is Naks. I am class UKG. I am telling the story Importance of Mouse, the elephant, the giraffe, the hippo, the fox, and the deer lived in a jungle. They were calm and small. Mouse felt very sad. One day, hunter came to the jungle. He is pregnant to catch the animals. Deer got in the net. He cried loudly. Elephant, the giraffe, the fox, and the could not help him. Mouse came and cut the net. All animal praised the mouse and stopped making fun of him. Moral of the story is, don't make of anyone. Thank you.